Welcome back to the CryptoAdvance channel, and today we're taking a look at Metahorse Unity. Remember that nothing here should be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but let's dive in. In the background now is actually a gameplay video of the game Metahorse Unity, so enjoy this while we go over the project overview. So right now there is live minting for the Metahorse Unity in the Phase 1 public mint. There's a link down below because this is exclusive on the OnePlanet website in the form of a limited edition Metahorse random box NFT. So there are a total of 8,000 different NFTs split between 4 main classes and legendaries. We can take a look at these 4 classes on their website here. We have Cyber, then we have Dragon, also we have a Unicorn, and finally we have Warrior. So the minting page, users can mint up to 8 NFTs per wallet address with a mint price of just 60 Matic, which is a very good price considering the floor price currently is 100 Matic. So the utility for holding these NFTs, you not only get your digital treasures, but you get exclusive perks, early access to the Garden, which is a captivating horse catching game within the Metahorse Unity. Of course, I'm very excited about this project. The gameplay looks really good, and this is the first of its kind in the NFT and kind of crypto gaming space. So I'm pumped for this project. Again, the play to earn system is really unique because it adds an additional layer of utility to the free to play core game loop. Again, players can earn rewards in-game assets by actively participating and achieving success in races and events. But I hope you enjoyed this video. That is Metahorse Unity. Check out all the links down below, and I'll see you in my next video.